Bert and Chip Episode 11 Building a Boat. Bert and Chip are at the beach. Look at this litter, said Bert. I should pick it up. Bert picked up the litter. Chip put his toolbox down. He took out his saw and hammer as he started building his boat. Chip didn't really know how to build it. But he did the best he could. I can't wait to go sailing, he said. Just then a huge wave came in. It crashed into Kip's boat. Splash! My boat! Cried Kip. Bert was dragging a box up the beach. The wave crashed into Bert. Sploosh! Bert fell into the box. Squawk! She cried. Then the box zoomed straight toward Kip. Look out! Cried Bert. Crash! Now Kip was in the box too, and the box was heading for the ocean.